Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Avijit, and you are watching Prep Bay India. Change the learning way. In these sessions, you will learn 10 MCQs, which is a daily based daily MCQs current affairs. So these sessions will be on based on the newspapers that the Hindu, Indian Express, and PIB News, and also different magazines. So without delay any, we will just start. The first question is that which state has topped in virus management index? So here is the questions, and you should try to give answer first. Okay, and I will tell you the answer. What is the answer? Okay. So first of all, the which state has topped in virus management index? So here is the option is the Uttar Pradesh and the Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Kerala. So here is answer is the Rajasthan. Okay. So Rajasthan has topped in virus management index. Uh, Recently, a news in that due to the pandemic COVID-19, in this the virus management index Rajasthan has topped. Okay. So Rajasthan, a first state which has topped. Okay. Now the second question is the recently the government has decided to boost the infrastructure along the 3488 kilometer border with which country? So here is the option is that the Pakistan, Bangladesh, China and Nepal. So what is the answer? Just tell me. Here is the answer is the China. Okay. Recently, a news you have heard that recently the government had decided to boost infrastructure along the 3488 kilometers border with which country? That means the China is the that country. Okay, because there is a lot of tensions between India and China at the Ladakh border, and we have already heard about that. Okay, I have already made a video for this India China infrastructure development. So please, if you want to to see, watch those videos. Okay, so here is the answer is the China. Okay, for the infrastructure development, that means the road connectivity and communication network and etc, electricity, transport. Okay, so the infrastructure is that means the different types of the perspectives of the convenience for the people of the local public. Okay, so now the third question is what? So third question is that the question is the how much crore has been allocated in 2020, that means 2020-21 fiscal year by the border area development program. So how much crore has been allocated? That means the 780 crore. Where the option is the 684 crore and the 884 crore and the 984 crore. Okay, but the answer is what's the 784 crore or 78.4 crore. Okay, also that means the 784 crore totals allocated fiscal year. Okay, 2020-21. So but in this case we will talk about that the 778.4 crore, that means that 10% allocations for the Ladakh regions and the some upper, that means the upper state, that means the Uttarakhand, like that means Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal and Uttarakhand and also Sikkim for. Okay, so 10% allocated for these states only for, and others sanctioned for the rest remain state. Okay, here is the dat with the extra attention that the government has decided to boost the infrastructure along 3488 kilometer border with China. Okay, so projected that can be funded for the roads, bridge, culverts and the mini stadium, also community and the health sector, also health center, primary schools and the hostels and the supply of the medical equipments to hospitals also. For this is the infrastructure development for the these areas. Okay, so who will choose the project, we will discuss another sections. That means the here is the border guarding forces will play a key role in the choosing the project, but we will discuss in next questions also. So this is the answer. That means the 784 crores total sanctions or total allocated for the 2020-21 fiscal year by the border area development program. Okay, so next questions is that the border area development program, that means the BADP. Okay, so BADP comes under which ministry? Here is the next question. That means the border area development program BADP comes under which ministry? This is the very important questions, because this type of questions is also asked in the UPSC pre-exams. Okay, and the different pre-exams also. So you should learn that. First of all, BADP, we will discuss about the BADP. And BADP is, that means the it was established on the 1993, okay, or 94, 93 94 ki. So it's between the 93 94. Okay, so we will say that it was established in the 1993. Okay, 1993. But here is question is different. Question is that the border area development program, that means comes under which ministry? So first option is here the defense ministry. Second option is the finance ministry, and the third option is home ministry, and the fourth is external ministry. So what's be the answer? What will be the answer? So home ministry is the answer. Okay, because the under the home ministry the border area development program comes. Okay, so the border area development programs comes under which ministry? That means the home ministry. It works under the home ministry. Okay, so now the next question is that recently government to boost infrastructure in areas along China border. Already we will discuss, already we have discussed. Okay, so recently government to boost infrastructure along China border. Who will choose the project? Who will choose the project? Who will play in the main role? Who will the play role in this project? Let me say border area development program, BADP programs. So finally this question is very important. Okay, so here is the option is the first option is the Indian Army, and the second option is the Indian Air Force. Third option is the border guarding forces, and the fourth option is the National Security Guard. So what's the right answer? Right answer is the border guarding force. Okay, this is the right answer. Border guarding forces is the right answer. So recently government to boost infrastructure in areas along China border. Who will choose the project? That means the border guarding force is the choose the project. Okay, now next question is, so next question is the Atmanirbhar Bharat schemes comes under which ministry? Okay, so Atmanirbhar Bharat schemes comes under which ministry? That means the Ministry of Defense is option first. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, second option. Third option is the Ministry of Finance, and the fourth option is the Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, so here is the right. What is the right answer? Right answer is the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, that means the Food and Public Distributions. So under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions, Atmanirbhar Bharat schemes comes. Okay, so Atmanirbhar Bharat schemes comes under which ministry? Under Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution. This is the right answer. Okay, now we will discuss in the next questions. So what is the next questions? Next question is the how much crore migrant persons intended target under Atmanirbhar Bharat schemes? How much crore migrant persons intended target under Atmanirbhar Bharat schemes? So option is here is the 6 crore, and the 7th crore, 8 crore, and 9 crore. So here is the right answer is the 8 crore peoples. Okay, how much crore migrant persons intended target under Atmanirbhar Bharat schemes? There is the 8 crores migrant persons intended target the under Atmanirbhar Bharat schemes. So 8 crore is the right answer. Okay, due to the pandemic COVID-19, a lot of migrant laborers, migrant persons had moved from another state to on state. Okay, so now the next question is so right answer is the 8 crore. Okay, so next question is the what is the theme of the International Day of Yoga? First of all, when celebrated these days? That means the International Yoga Day. That means the first of all the 21st June 2015. Okay, it will start. It has started. That means it had started that day 21st June 2015. Okay, by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So now this is the 6th International Day of Yoga. This is the 6th International Day of Yoga in the 2020. Okay, so this is the 6th International Day of Yoga, and there is the what is the theme of the International Day of Yoga? First of all, question option is yoga at home and yoga with family. Okay, second option is yoga is life, and third option is my yoga my life. Fourth option is yoga with neighbors. So here what is the right answer? Right answer is yoga at home and yoga with family. Don't do that. Okay, don't you confuse with yoga with neighbors or yoga my life. So here is the right answer. Okay, yoga at home and yoga with family, because COVID-19, so all are staying at home, safe at home, stay at home. Okay, stay home, stay safe. So yoga at home and yoga with family is the theme of the International Day of Yoga. This is the right answer. Now another question is that which institution has launched Kumar Sashakti-Karan Yojana? Kumar Sashakti-Karan Yojana, which institution has launched? So option is KVIC, NSSO, Atal Lab, and the Niti Aayog. So what is the right answer? Right answer is the KVIC. That means the Khadi. Okay, KVIC. First of all, when it was established 1956. Okay, it was established on the 1956 by the Statutory Act. Okay, for this is the statutory body, and statutory body means that the by an act it was established. That means the Act of 1956. Act of 1956. Act of 1956. It was established, KBIC. Okay, Khadi Village Industry Corporation. So KVIC is the institution has launched Kumar Sashakti-Karan Yojana, and it was the first of all the what's the aim of the KVIC is KVIC aims is the employment and economic upliftment in rural area. Employment and economic upliftment in rural area. Okay, so KVIC is the aim of the or the purpose of the employment and economy uplift in rural area. Okay, now the next question, which is I think will be the last questions. So which institution has started reviving ancient glory of Pokhran portraits? Okay, so this is the very important questions in this that means the which institution has started reviving ancient glory of Pokhran portraits. Pokhran is the first nuclear testing site. Okay, Pokhran is the first nuclear testing site in the Rajasthan. So which institution has started reviving ancient glory of Pokhran portraits? That means first option the ASI, Archaeological Survey India, KVIC, Khadi Village, and the GSI, Geological Survey of India, and the NABARD. So what is the answer? These are the options 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is, what is the answer? Right answer is the KVIC. Okay, Khadi Village Industries Corporation. Okay, so this is the also the employment and economical upliftment in rural India. The aim of the KVIC is. So these are the which institution has started reviving ancient glory of Pokhran in Purti. So this is the answer. That means the KVIC is the right answer, which has been established in the by the statutory. It is a statutory body and established by the Act of 1956. Okay. So these are the questions we have already discussed. Okay. So these are the questions is very important for the UPSC and the etc. exams. Already said that. So this is the very important questions, 10 MCQs question set. Okay, and if you are like our efforts, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.